This is the first year I went all in with artificial greenery and absolutely loving these cedar topiaries. In life, they are quite realistic looking. I literally just took them and shoved them into the dirt that I plant real flowers with and other types of the year, but they are filling in my pots absolutely perfectly. It just rained and they're holding up just fine to the weather. It's absolutely freezing temperatures out here right now. UV resistance, they don't fade or crack. They have the included ground spikes for easy installation, zero maintenance. They're a great size for my front porch, and the pots, the 2 feet, integrate in really nicely with what you have. And I really do feel like it's a realistic cedar foliage. They do arrive flat packed, and you just put the spike into the faux stem and the bottom spike into that. Installation is like 30 seconds. They go into my frozen ground even just fine. I do like how you can bend them and mold them. The brown does look more realistic as you're walking by it. And I do love the color variegation. It is lighter on the tips and darker in the middle with that fine detailing that cedar does have. About 2 feet wide and about 16 inches wide, depending on how wide you want to distribute the foliage for the diameter. You could keep it nice and compact if you needed to, or really wide if that's better. But once you get them, they are UV resistant, cold resistant, designed for year-round use, and absolutely look stunning in person. Overall, quite pleased. They have the fullness, they have the texture, not like browning or drooping. They don't demand any care, consistent, vibrant look outside, and really make our porch come to life. Offer that elegance without any of the upkeep, which I absolutely love. So pleased with my purchase. Hope that helps. You should check them out.